In tonight's health report, a local hospital is opening a physical therapy clinic for people with lasting symptoms from COVID-19, also known as long COVID. WSAV's Brian Ray takes us inside the new clinic.
Leaders at Memorial Health say they saw a need in the community for a rehab program for people with those lasting symptoms. Experts say up to a third of people who have COVID can start suffering from those symptoms up to 4 weeks after infection.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Memorial Health is taking steps to help people battling long COVID. Physical therapists at the new clinic will offer strength and endurance exercises to get patients back in physical shape. Memorial's outpatient therapy manager says the program has been developing over the past month.
We just kind of came off of our peak hospitalizations here in the area. So we had, up in the hundreds of patients here at the hospital, and then of course those at home with COVID recovering at home. So I think that now is a great time to reach out to all of the patients.
Some common symptoms of long COVID include fatigue, muscle weakness, shortness of breath, and brain fog. The clinic will also have speech therapists to work with patients having memory issues. Leaders say oftentimes patients with long COVID were never hospitalized.
There are just some patients that are at home not knowing what to do next, and same things with physicians as far as, they've treated them medically, they've stabilized them, but they're still having long-going issues.
Powers estimates most patients will be seen a couple times a week for anywhere between 8 to 12 weeks. As for the clinic itself, Powers says they're prepared to stick around for as long as patients need them.
It appears that we might just continue to have peaks of high hospitalizations and increase in cases. So this might just be something we deal with for a year, 2 years, I guess. Nobody knows, really.
The clinic is looking for patients. You do have to be referred by your doctor, but the clinic is open to anybody in the community with long COVID. Reporting in Savannah, Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.